Hey, what's going on out there? What's going on out there in Facebook land? Mr. Dave here, and Instagram land. We are doing a new job. We got a new project. Whoa, special effects. This thing's gonna have like a grotto and a new slide and a waterfall. We're gonna add to it, sort of taking what's there and increase the size and scope of it a little bit. And so let's talk and walk. All right, we're starting to pump the pool water out. We've already got that going. The grotto is going to come in this corner of the pool right over here. The window, the shadows are kind of weird, so I don't know how much you can see here, but you can sort of see the coloration we have here. Got some of the cream or oranges, I should say, orangish, and I got big spits. Also had the bleeds that I let run down the surface, and that accentuates the look. We're going to actually move the skimmer from there over to here somewhere by the steps or stairs into the pool. This is the shallow end right here, and then it goes to the deeper end. Inside here, we are in the grotto, and we've got lots of different lights, cracks, and lots of different things going on, lights and color, with color, light and dark, some bleeds, some accentuations of the walls to try and make it look like it's been oozing out minerals for eons and eons. Over here is the grotto portion of it. We've got our side on, I guess you're looking at it from the right side as you're going in, this little porthole. We've just painted it, and so we've got our dark paints. We're just going to let those go off and cure and then be dark and be sort of little shadow areas with some organic growth, which is what's going on all around this area anyway. Got our drain pipe in there, elbow to slow down the velocity of it. And on the back, we have our valve, and this allows us to turn down the amount of water flow going to this water feature. It just simply directs it into the swimming pool. Got a nice dark crack here, so we accentuated that with our paint and added that to the look. There's a real rock, that's artificial, so you can see we're pretty close, looking pretty good. The slide is going to be coming around these boulders up beneath that oak tree. We're actually going to start it off and bring it around and make a corner turn right there, just one turn, and then just drop down. So this is the starting point of the slide right here. And you come down. Since I raised it up, the speed won't be too much to navigate that turn. That'll be no big deal. That'll be a lot of fun, actually. Down below, we poured these fake rock slabs, just slabs of concrete that we cut and troweled and separated with some nice big cracks so that the stones can settle if need be. We're going to move the birds from there over to that planter, or at least attempt to transplant them there. The slide, the old slide, which was tile, we demoed off the tile yesterday. We just started. Yesterday was our first day. This thing has this weird stone on the raised bond everywhere. We've been demoing it off the back of the spa wall there. There's a waterfall pipe that was already feeding there to the right where the wet dry vac is, and then there's another little spigot for a water feature right there as well. So we're gonna utilize both these things, but we're gonna try and make it look more natural, more like the faux rock that we do, and we're gonna be using this stuff as a guide. This areas out here in San Diego are really cool. They have lots of nooks and crannies, tons of real rock out here. So we have this amazing stuff that we're gonna utilize as a guide for the type of color and texture and all that, and the shapes as well. So you can see they fit in pretty good with the rocks in the background there. That looks like it could kind of be here. And you had that great contrasty different colors. You got the lichen rocks over there, and you got some things that are just pure black. So I took that middle one and made that one a black rock. And so I'm really pleased. I can't wait to see it all flushed out with all the ledger stone. Stone that they have here. This stuff's super hard. It looks to be a volcanic product, and it's almost like a glass when you chip it. So we've done the demo up here. We've got Big Red, that Milwaukee guy, just tearing away at it and does a pretty good job. You can see the holes we've already established in here. We're going into the real rock as well. These are huge, big boulders. They haven't moved much at all. This whole basin right here has, as far as the client knows, not leaked. So that's been going on and working well. So we're going to be able to establish that as our pond as well. The picture which you see in my Instagram starts a waterfall, kind of like right over at the top here, and dumps down into a pond. And so this pond's going to carry that water around, as we already have that pathway. The slide is going to begin up there. You can see where the orange is in the dirt, and it's going to go around that whole this whole grouping of rocks, and then come around here and shoot in the pool. It's going to be really cool. So that's our great sage oak tree overseeing the whole area here. So you're riding down the slide, you come to this corner, you just lean a little to the left, and then the rest is ride. These things right here are going to grow up, and if he lets them, create a tunnel. So this whole thing could just be a total tunnel, which would be just killer. And then here's our, again, all faux rock work. Made a pinch point here for the waterfall to slow the water down, and then come through, and then it's going to split, as you can see here. Some will go onto the slide trough, some will just pitch out into the pool. At that demarcation point between the elevation change, the slide, again, that's the waterfall. It's going to pitch out there. Some will go in there. You've got our satellite there where the spa meets the pool, raised bond. And then you've got these three stones at that elevation change also down at the bottom. This is the new job. It's awesome up here in Poway, California. It's amazing. They build these pools out here in these locations. If you look across the slide, you can see all of our work up there, and it's blending in pretty nicely to all the rocks over there that are all natural too. Over here we've got our side with the big window going into the grotto space. I like to make them have steps so at least the bigger kids can sort of boulder on up, step there, step here. And then I also have a handhold that I made. It's nice to be able to think about ways of how people are going to use the feature and interact with it. Beautiful, beautiful oak trees. Just awesome, man. So anyway, Mr. Dave out here on the rock pile making a mess and making money, making a living. Anyway, if you want to learn more about this, go to www.davehenderson.podia.com. davehenderson.podia.com. That's Podia. Got some free downloads you can download there, some PDF files talking about some of the great aspects to faux rock and some of the basics that you need to know about to do this well. And I got my book there and another book on slides as well. So good stuff. Going to continue to keep adding that if I can, and just keep giving you guys opportunities to learn stuff. There's also my blogs at daverhenderson.com, daverhenderson.com, and you can learn how to do stuff there as well. So I have my links to the Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram sites right there. Click and off you go. So learn stuff, learn, grow, become, I like to say, and keep trying to stretch your mind a little bit and do something good for others. Be kind, be forgiving, and grateful. These are good attributes to get really good at. All right. We will see you next time. Mr. Dave checking out. Bye.